This is my first vlog. I'm not even gonna edit this because this is my first vlog and it's gonna be shitty and I'm gonna regret it for the rest of my life. But anyways, hello. I don't have any special talents. I don't sing, I'm not funny. I basically have nothing. I don't have an app that I can edit my videos on. So it's just gonna be like a video with like bloopers and mistakes on them all over the place. And yeah, I'm probably not even gonna watch this video because I hate my voice, and I mean, who doesn't? Yeah, you're supposed to laugh. Anyways, just chilling at home. Just looking at those flowers. Chilling at home, listening to Shakira because she's a queen. Anyways, yeah. You know, like, subscribe or whatever people do. Who would subscribe to my channel, like, honestly, because like I am a loser and I literally just made this video, so who would subscribe? I don't even know, but I'm just, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just put the title as green slime, and it's definitely gonna pop up on some people's like screen or something, and or I'm gonna just do like a clickbait shit. That's how you get famous, right? Like, fuck, right? That's how you get famous. Like, just like clickbaiting the shit out of people. Like, it's scientifically proven. Like, that shit is like fucking proven that if your mind is like clicking and clicking on shitty videos, that it's because your mind wants to like fulfill. My hair is shitty. Anyways, fulfill your like satisfaction of like finishing the other end of the picture, because like in every clickbait picture there's like fucking fuck, now you people are gonna know where I live now. Yeah, it's a skyscraper. Oh wait, I went to visit that place. Fuck, I'm so awkward. Yeah, probably. Probably don't know what I'm fucking talking about, and I'm just here at home talking by myself to a camera because I literally have no friends and I'm a loser. I'm fucking loser, like seriously, like what the fuck am I doing? Just fucking talking to a camera on a Saturday. It's fucking it's like that because I'm recording, of course. It's fucking 3 fucking, I don't think you can see it. It's my watch is white, whatever. Don't ask me about that. Don't comment, obviously, about my fucking white watch. Another way that people get famous on YouTube, it's like looking pretty, or either looking really bad that people actually want to look at you. I would want to say I'm pretty, but I'm not. And I deleted my social media today, so I literally have nothing to do. I cleaned all this damn house by myself. Like, there's no speck of trash. Well, like, that's how the floor fucking is. So stop judging. Like, I cannot change that. I need a fucking broom. Anyways, but besides that, I have nothing else to do but fucking talk to a camera because I'm a loser. And then you can see like fucking you can see like a little like grainy like shit on the bottom of the camera because my fucking screen protector is like all crackled because I fucking drop my phone all the time. It's fucking impossible not to do that shit. I drop my phone all the fucking time, and then my screen protector is like fuck, just terrible. Like it's disgusting. And anyways, it's there's like little like little bit of screen protector on the bottom of like the bottom of like my camera. So like I'm recording on my fucking phone because this is my first YouTube video, and I'm not gonna fucking spend $1,000 or whatever cameras cost on like a professional camera. Why would I do that? And even if I was famous, I would just do it on my tablet or something like a normal human being. Which, but I don't even know how this even fucking works. Like, how? I don't know. But I'm bored at home, and it's all I literally can do. I'm fucking sitting on the couch. I'm a fucking loser. I don't know, like, what can I talk to y'all about? Like, y'all don't even know me. I'm just like a loser that goes to school, and I don't fucking know. Thank you for watching this video. I don't know, like, make me a GIF. I'm fucking, who the fuck listens to like Shakira? Like cool people listen to like Cardi B and like Gucci Mane and like ghetto music, like cool music, like cool stuff, and I'm over here like listening to fucking Shakira, bitch. I'm a fucking loser, yeah. It's nothing new. How can you know the difference between like me just going like that and me zooming in? Okay, wait. Oh, fuck. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. This video is 8 fucking minutes long. I just wasted 8 minutes of your life. Or 9. It's going very fast. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe. Do whatever the fuck you want.